In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip title in Saitama Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about acquiring a title and what to expect every month. So, if you look at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your current name and then the amount of kills that you have in this server and also the total kills that you have gotten throughout the month. So basically, to get and equip a title, all that you have to do is get a bunch of kills. Now, keep in mind that this number of kills changes every month. To check this, just walk up to the lobby here and you will be able to go over to the current champions where you can find the text right here. In this current season, I need 2,891 more kills for a title. And of course, depending on the amount of kill that these people get, this number is going to keep changing. So if you just really want a title, you will have to get to the number listed here. Of course, the higher amount of kills that you get, the more and more titles that you will be acquiring, but as of today, this is all you have to do. You will then be able to manage it here when you go over to your inventory, clicking on this icon, and then browsing through the titles. You will have the rank title and then a dual title, but this is all you have to do. You can check the amount of kills here, and essentially, you just have to keep playing and playing and playing. For this video, I'm not going to give too many tips on what you can do to farm a bunch of kills. You can essentially just keep playing the game as normal. So just pick your favorite character that you are good on and keep playing until you get a bunch of kills, and eventually you will hit the goal listed here. Alternatively, you can look into characters which are currently overpowered and play as them instead, but for the most part, like I said, this isn't necessary. You just need to keep playing the game over and over again, and essentially you will be able to get various titles. They don't have a showcase for these titles, and they are going to be automatically added for you, so just open your inventory and equip them here. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip title in Saitama Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.